बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अजीज़ तलबा, आज हम कम्प्रीहेंशन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5 पढ़ेंगे। For 3 years the master and all his relatives lived in this valley. Many of the Muslims to join them. All supplies to the valley were cut off. The Makkans saw to it that no food or drink reached the Banu Hashim. The poor Banu Hashim had to live on the leaves and roots of trees and bushes. The condition of children was particularly pitiable. At last, some kind-hearted Meccans took pity on Banu Hashim. They tore to pieces the agreement hanging in the Kaaba. The hunger-stricken Banu Hashim were thus able to come back to their homes. क्वेश्चन और इनके साथ आंसर है। Who lived for 3 years in the valley? The master and all his relatives lived in the valley. Who joined the master and his relatives? Many of the Muslims joined them. What did the Meccans do? The Meccans cut off the supplies of food and drink to Bani Hashim. How did Bani Hashim live? They lived on the leaves and roots of trees. What was the condition of the children? The condition of the children was pitiable. Who took pity on the Banu Hashim? Some kind-hearted Meccan leaders took pity on them. Okay, Allah Hafiz.